What's up, YouTube? I'm Akai Block and you're watching Limitless North TV. How do you make more money? This is a question that we all ask consistently. There's so many searches going out on YouTube and Google, and people are in desperate situations wondering, how do I make more money? How do I increase my income? How do I get more out of what I'm doing? Well, first and foremost, I want to challenge you that you have to understand what money truly is in order to answer that question and in order to have a solution to those problems for yourself. Money is nothing more than a means of exchange of value for what you're giving to what someone else is getting. It's that go-between for us, right? So we typically think of money as this thing with a personality that is tangible, and yet money is nothing. It's impersonal. It's neither good nor bad. It's simply this abstract concept that we use as a medium of exchange for the value that you can add to someone else. So if you're out there solving problems for people, this medium of exchange that they have called money, if you're solving a problem that is more valuable to them than what this money is worth to them, they'll give you their money in exchange for that solution, right? So whether you're solving problems or adding value or encouraging or inspiring or giving something of value to people, that's how you make more money. You increase money by adding value to the marketplace. So most of the time, it's a very simple concept, and yet people don't quite understand it, and they sit back and they think, I just need more money to come in, and they expect that by doing work and by doing busy work, they'll automatically increase their income, but it doesn't work that way. You have to increase your outputs, you have to increase your results, the things that you're giving to the marketplace. You have to become more valuable, and you have to add more of what it is that you produce, and you have to add more to the number of people that you're producing it for. And that is how money increases. And so if you're a business owner, or if you're dabbling in entrepreneurship, or you're trying things, I want to just drive that point home, that making more money is about adding more value to the marketplace and increasing the number of people that you add that value to. So that's where it starts. You can add more value to the marketplace and add more value to a greater number of people. And that simple concept will increase your money. It will help you make more money. The second thing that you should do is become more valuable yourself. The more that you raise your self-worth, your internal value, the knowledge that you have, the skills that you have, the more that you can apply that information, that knowledge, those abilities, those skills, those problem-solving techniques to the marketplace. So you add more value to the marketplace by becoming more valuable yourself, right? So the more that you have going on internally, the more you can give externally. Now, the next thing that I want to tell you about as far as making more money is look for opportunities to solve problems. The more problems you can solve for people, the more you can make money. Again, I said that if the problem you're solving for someone is worth more to them than the value of that money that they have, they'll gladly exchange their money for the solution to their problem. So you look for great pain points that people have. If you can identify a pain point that you would like to address because you have some knowledge or ability or skill dealing with that and able to find solutions to that, then you identify that pain point, and then you pinpoint where there are communities gathering around that pain point. Now, this can be online. There's Facebook groups for all sorts of different problems that people are working through, and issues and communities. And there are real life communities. You know, in this day and age of social media, we don't want to forget about the real world, that there are people congregating around these problems that they face, around these pain points, trying to find solutions. And so if you can identify the pain point, and then you identify the communities that are gathered around those problems, around those pain points, around looking for those solutions, and you can bring your skills, your knowledge, your ability, and your value into those communities, you can begin to exchange what you have for their money. So the greater a pain point, the more valuable your solution is to somebody, and the more likely they are to part with their money in exchange for that solution. Now, it's your duty to add real value, to bring real solutions and real problem solvings to people's issues, right? And the more that you do that, the more that you gain a better reputation, the easier it is to sell what you have. And so you always want to, again, we go back to square one, add value to the marketplace, and then become more valuable yourself, and then find communities, find pain points, and add that value, add those solutions to them. That will help you increase your money in great ways. So first understand what money is so that you can understand how to make more of it. And then you have to understand how money is typically made, and that is by transferring of ideas and problem solving and solutions to people that need it. And so the more that you can do that, the more that you can increase your income. It's very simple. It's a little bit more complicated when you begin to apply it to your own situation. And of course, you can't just take this advice and think that that's going to make you more money. You have to take this advice and think on it and look at it from every angle and apply it to your own current situation, your own business, your own techniques, and see how you're adding value to the marketplace and increase that. And see what you can do with this information, with this straight up advice, and find ways to apply it to your life. And that will help you increase your income, all right? So that's 3 ways that you can increase your income and make more money. I hope this helps you. I'm Makai Block with Limitless North. Give the video a like if it helped you at all. Obviously share it with some friends that are going through the same things that you are. And of course, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I'm looking forward to building with you. Thank you guys. Have a great week, and I'll catch you soon. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you, and I promise you, that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.